Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.
Reporting live with One Nation in this Transport Evolution Expo with my main man working for Nedbank. Sir, what is your name and what is it that you do for a living?
Hi, Kamalame Tobani Mhlongo, and I'm an investment banker by profession.
Investment banker?
Yes.
Okay, to investment banker, first of all, sir, we are trying to educate kids so they can understand better career choices.
Yeah.
They can see, working in a bank doesn't mean only you're going to be a bank teller.
Yeah.
There's actually things like this. If you're saying an investment banker, what does your job, your day-to-day entails?
Yeah, so maybe just to take a step back a little bit. I'm a chartered accountant by training.
A CA.
So I'm a CASA, qualified CASA. So on a day-to-day basis, I'm in the process of helping out our large clients with their everyday requirements in terms of them raising financing for their businesses. And yeah, my job essentially entails having lots of meetings from 7 a.m. to about 5 p.m. And then I also then get to sit behind my desk for me to actually be able to, one, evaluate the deals that I'm working on and assess whether or not what we call bankability, does the deal actually make sense and is it something that we can fund? And if it is something that we can fund, then I go into the process of doing due diligence, which is just basically a fact-checking exercise to ensure that everything stacks up. We actually are able to provide money to this client, and once everything stacks up, then we take money out of the door and we're able to fund clients in different industries. And
okay, cool. So let me ask you, you said that you are qualified in what for you to be an investment banker? What is your education background? You qualified in CA?
Yes, so I'm a CASA. So that's
a degree, a diploma?
I'm a degree.
You have a degree?
An honors degree in accounting. And then I went to train with SAICA for 3 years. And then I qualified as a chartered accountant.
Okay, so to me, basically, you are in a finance space. It's not like you have a finance degree. The reason why I'm saying this is because there's places like Richfield, you may not be able to go to a varsity to go study finance corner, but Richfield and campuses like that, you can actually get something they can get you started in the door for you to become part of the financial industry. That then leads you to things like this and places like this where you can go out and look for clients who would say you don't only sit in the bank the whole day and so on and so forth. We are trying to show kids that with a bit of education in South Africa, you can go so far,
Absolutely.
And Richfield is one of the places you can get education corner,
Absolutely.
Number one said. So what can you say to a 16-year-old who wants to be where you are, who sees himself in your eyes like this beautiful gentleman with a lovely beard? I see myself, Kanjalo. What can you say just to motivate them to say, it's possible, Kanjalo, you can do it too?
Yeah, so I mean, I was once in your shoes, a 16-year-old in high school. And I think what matters is to always remember why you started. I think, there'll be times when it feels like it's impossible, but you must always remember why you started, why you actually what you're doing. So always take it back to this is what I'm doing it for, and it's all possible.
Number one, sir. Thank you very much. Now we have a slogan when you say here, kids love it. We're also going to include Nedbank on it, okay?
Also,
do you mind for me just saying first of all, Prime Stars,
Prime Star,
Nedbank,
Nedbank,
and mainly Career Corner,
Career Corner.
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.